Eat healthy. You must eat fruit and vegetables every day.
Breakfast is the most important meal.
Don't eat fast food. Cook your own food. Eat sweets is what is fast or healthy. Follow the food pyramid.
Drink water. We can only survive 2 days with no water.
We can only use 1% of water. People, animals, and plants need water. Work with water is not live. Water is the healthiest drink. Keep clean. Have a shower every day. Keep your heart, keep your hand before meals. Have a shower after doing exercise. Keeping clean is a healthy habit. Keep your clothes clean.
Exercise.
Do exercise to keep healthy.
Do exercise at least 3 days per week.
Play the sport with your friends.
Run, play football. Play basketball. Play tennis.
Sleep well. Sleep well to have energy. Sleep 9 hours at least.
If you want to grow, sleep well.
If you can take a nap.
Sleep in bed, not in the sofa.